In this video tutorial, we're going to discuss configuring the contact form on the Contact Us page and connecting our website to MailChimp so that we can automatically add users to our email list. First, we're going to take a look at the available options for our contact form. You can get to this screen by clicking on the Contact Form menu item in your admin dashboard. The first tab that we see is Form. These are the fields that are currently configured in your contact form. We can add new fields by using any of the radio buttons found at the top of the form. So if we wanted to add a new text field, we could simply click on text, decide whether or not it's a required field. We can give a default value, and then we can click insert tag. To give this field a label, we can copy the text of one of our existing fields and then simply rename it. And now we have a phone number field for our contact form. The next tab that we see is Mail. This is going to be the email that is sent to you anytime a contact form is completed. As you will see, by default, the To field is configured with the email address in which you created your website. The From field is the same email address. The subject, you have been sent a message via the contact form on your website. Additional headers, which you can leave configured as is. And then the message body. You can edit this message body to use any of these shortcodes that you see at the top of the page. When an email is sent to you, these shortcodes will be replaced by the information that was submitted in the contact. So if we wanted to include the field or phone number that we just created in the message that is sent to us, we can do so by copying and pasting that shortcode and then clicking Save. And there are some additional options at the bottom of the page. The next tab we have is Messages. And these are the messages that will be displayed to the user once the contact form has been submitted. You can customize any of these messages you desire. And the last tab, Additional Settings, is more for our advanced users. The last options that we would like to discuss available for the contact form in the Contact Us page are found underneath Website Options. And then if you come down to the Contact Us menu item within your options panel, you will see a couple of additional fields that you can fill out to customize the Contact Us page. The first of which is the text found above the contact form. By default, it says, "Please feel free to contact us by completing the form below." However, you can customize this with your own messaging in the field provided. You also have font options available for this custom Contact Us message. The other option available is to include your business information on the Contact Us page. To do this, enable this option and complete the fields below. Then click Save Changes. Now if we go back out to the Contact Us page and click Refresh, we can see that our Contact Us page has been customized with our changes. The last topic that we're going to discuss in this video tutorial is connecting our website with MailChimp. This will allow us to automatically add any new registered users to an email list. That way, if we want to send out a mass email to all the users of our website at once, we can easily do so. An example scenario would be if we were getting ready to launch a live streaming event. We could email all of the users on our website at once to let them know. MailChimp is an email marketing platform that is free for the first 2,000 contacts that you have in your email list. To create an account, just go to MailChimp MailChimp.com and click Sign Up Free. Once you have created an account, you will need to create your first list. You can do so by clicking on the list link at the top of the page and then clicking on Create List in the upper right hand corner. Click on the Create List button again and fill out the required information, then click Save. The next step will be to get your API key. In the top right hand corner, click the drop down menu, click Account, click the Extras drop down menu, then click API key. We have already created a key, but you will be able to create your first key by simply clicking the Create a Key button. This API key is what we're going to need to copy. Head back over to our website and on the MailChimp screen, provide that key and click Save Changes. If successful, you will have a green notification saying connected. If at this point in time there are no lists showing below, simply click the Renew MailChimp List button. We now see our list and we can click on it. The last thing that we need to do is to configure the Integrate tab, which is found directly underneath the MailChimp tab. This will allow us to automatically add any new registered users to the list we created within MailChimp. First, we need to click Yes for Enabled. The next option we have is Implicit. If clicked Yes, users will automatically be added. If no, there will be a checkbox underneath the registration field in the sign-up form. We need to select which list we want to add users to. We can decide to make the list double opt-in, which would send them a message asking them to confirm their addition to our email list. And we can choose to update existing subscribers, which for our purposes is not necessary. And then click Save Changes. The last thing that we need to do is to integrate the sidebar form, which is the subscribe form found in the sidebar of your website, with the email list that we created in MailChimp. We have additional options that we can configure, much like our contact form, which include fields of the form, message that the user sees after the form is submitted, and then under the Settings tab we see the list that we have created. You can check this box. And again, we can decide whether or not it's a double opt-in form, update existing subscribers, interest groups, whether or not the form is hidden after submitted, and we can redirect the user to a specific URL on our website after the form is submitted. Then we'll click Save Changes.